Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Amazfit Bip Lite S smartwatch. There's some information on the box itself. Let's take a quick look at what they are. Over here it's written that this smartwatch has always on color display, is water resistant to 50 meters, is lightweight, has a heart rate monitor, you get instant notifications, there's a multi-sport tracking, and also has a long-lasting battery. Are there any other information on the box here? Let's quickly take a look. There's some over here. I don't know if you can see this here. So like I said, product name Amazfit Bip S Lite. Input voltage is 5 volts. Wireless connectivity Bluetooth 5.0, which means Bluetooth 5.0 is supported. It's also compatible with Android 5.0, iOS 10.0, and others. Let's quickly take a look at if there are any other information available about this. I will tell you that very quickly right now. One important thing is that this device has 30-day battery life on a single charge. That's quite substantial. It also has 2 built-in editable dials and 150 plus watch faces to download. So let's not waste any more time and get straight to the unboxing. This is another box inside the much larger box. Let's see what's inside this one. Let's lift the lid gently, and there it is. This is what the Amazfit Bip S Lite smartwatch looks like. This is not a watch face, this is just a sticker on top. I'll remove it. There, it's gone. Let's see what else we have here. This one is empty, so let's put this here. And there's a compartment over here, so you pull this string, this piece of paper right here, and it opens. A lot of stuff, as you can see. Firstly, we have a document, a pretty thick document by the looks of it. This is the user manual. It's written here, the user manual. It's pretty obvious, and a lot of instructions here. I would suggest that you read through them. They're available in different languages as well, so whichever language you're comfortable in, you can go through them. Let's see what else is there in the box. Quickly, there's a plastic wrapper here. What's in this? It seems to be the charging dock. Probably is. Yes, this is the charging dock. Sorry. This side is a USB Type A, which is expected, and this is the charging dock. You see the pins here. This is where your smartwatch will dock and get charged. Let's keep this over here, right over here, and let's go back to the box once again. This is your smartwatch. Let's take it out very gently, like this. I'm pushing through here, and that's it. It's out. And this is what the smartwatch looks like. I'll try to turn it on. Let's see if it works right now. Oh yeah. Wait. Yes, this is what the smartwatch looks like, and as you can see, there's a little charge here, and I will show you how to pair this particular smartwatch to a smartphone on another video. But for now, this is all you will find inside the box containing the Amazfit Bip S Lite. Thank you for watching.